Ethereum value equivalent to 31,657 rands a coin. The present cost range: 31,504, 32,376. The earlier day close: 32,104. The change was 447, 1.39%. Reverse rate: ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, October 9. Cost 32,079 rands, high 34,325, low 29,833. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, October 10. Cost 31,695 rands, high 33,914, low 29,476. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, October 11. Cost 31,533 rands, high 33,740, low 29,326. Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, October 12. Cost 31,619 rands, high 33,832, low 29,406. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, October 13. Cost 30,833 rands, high 32,991, low 28,675. In multi-week Ethereum conjecture on Monday, October 16. Cost 31,811 rands, high 34,038, low 29,584. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, October 17. Cost 31,555 rands, high 33,764, low 29,346. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, October 18. Cost 32,027 rands, high 34,269, low 29,785. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, October 19. Cost 33,611 rands, high 35,964, low 31,258. Ethereum gauge on Friday, October 20. Cost 33,750 rands, high 36,113, low 31,388. In about 14 days Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, October 23. Cost 33,523 rands, high 35,870, low 31,176. Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, October 24. Cost 33,890 rands, high 36,262, low 31,518. Ethereum gauge on Thursday, October 26. Cost 33,333 rands, high 35,666, low 31,000. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, October 27. Cost 33,507 rands, high 35,852, low 31,162. In 3 weeks Ethereum gauge on Monday, October 30. Cost 32,701 rands, high 34,990, low 30,412. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, October 31. Cost 32,652 rands, high 34,938, low 30,366. Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, November 1. Cost 32,566 rands, high 34,846, low 30,286. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, November 2. Cost 32,903 rands, high 35,206, low 30,600. Ethereum estimate on Friday, November 3. Cost 32,171 rands, high 34,423, low 29,919. In about a month Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, November 6. Cost 32,075 rands, high 34,320, low 29,830. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, November 7. Cost 32,271 rands, high 34,530, low 30,012. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost forecast for February 2024. First and foremost cost at 32,080 rands. Exorbitant cost 32,080, while low cost 27,206. The middle value of cost 30,155. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 29,254, change for February 8.8%. Ethereum estimate for WAC 2024. First and foremost cost at 29,254 rands. Exorbitant cost 30,733, while low cost 26,711. The middle value of cost 28,855. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 28,722, change for spring 1.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2024. In the first place cost at 28,722 rands. Exorbitant cost 33,206, while low cost 28,722. The middle value of cost 30,421. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 31,034, change for April 8.0%. Ethereum gauge for May 2024. To start with cost at 31,034 rands. Exorbitant cost 35,051, while low cost 30,465. The middle value of cost 32,327. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 32,758, change for May 5.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2024. Before all else cost at 32,758 rands. Exorbitant cost 38,664, while low cost 32,758. The middle value of cost 35,079. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 36,135, change for June 10.3%. Ethereum estimate for July 2024. First and foremost cost at 36,135 rands. Exorbitant cost 41,194, while low cost 35,804. The middle value of cost 37,908. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 38,499, change for July 6.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2024. First and foremost cost at 38,499 rands. Exorbitant cost 47,785, while low cost 38,499. The middle value of cost 42,361. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 44,659, change for August 16.0%. Ethereum estimate for September 2024. First and foremost cost at 44,659 rands. Exorbitant cost 44,659, while low cost 37,983. The middle value of cost 42,036. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 40,842, change for September 8.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2024. At the outset